Do you want to delete sent photos on Messenger? You can delete pictures on Facebook Messenger chat with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to delete sent photos on Messenger. Just watch this video till the end. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Deleting sent photos on Messenger is the act of removing a picture you've sent in a chat conversation. When you delete sent photos, it will disappear from your chat history. And if you unsend the pictures, it will be removed from both sides. You won't be able to see it anymore. To delete sent photos from Facebook Messenger chat, first, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Navigate to the chat conversation containing the photo that you want to remove. Scroll through the conversation until you find the photo you want to delete. Once you find it, long press and hold on to the sent photo until a menu appears. In the menu that appears, tap on the delete icon. If this is not available for you, tap on More option. A pop-up menu appears and from various options tap on Remove. Again, a pop-up menu appears with two different options, Unsend and Remove for you. Choose Unsend if you want to remove from both sides, or choose Remove for you to delete from your Messenger account. Once confirmed, the sent photo will be deleted from the conversation and cannot be viewed by you or the recipient. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete sent photos from Facebook Messenger chat conversations on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.